was a remote high mountain area, and I was aware that there had been some strange goings-on in this area from accounts of other people who had been there. And it was a long hike in, and I got in there in the late afternoon. I set my tape recorder up. I put my mic, taped it to a tree a little ways away from where I'd be bedding down, and then proceeded to wait along and see what developed.
Al Berry recreates for us what happened on the night of October 21st, 1972.
Later on that evening, after it grew dark, well, I was tired from the hike in, and I had begun to doze off, when all of a sudden I was awakened by some strange sounds. It was very startling. I didn't know what to think. I had very mixed emotions. On one hand, I was wondering, well, could somebody possibly be out there doing it, some human being? And on the other hand, viscerally, my knees were shaking and my insides were turning a bit, and I was wondering if maybe what I was hearing was some creature that was stranger than anything that we knew. We've had the sounds analyzed since then, and at the University of Wyoming by a professor of electrical engineering there. And the results are the sounds could not have been made by man or any known animal.
Professor Curlin of the University of Wyoming confirmed to In Search Of that Al's tape was tested and shown not to have been artificially manufactured.